Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Zerolemon 5000 milliamp extended battery case for your iPhone XS Max. We got the 8000 milliamp extended battery case for the XS Max. And we got the big boy, 10,000 milliamp extended battery case for your Galaxy Note 9. Now, all of these cases you could get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The 5000 milliamp case, that's going to run you $40. The 8000 milliamp case, that's going to run you $60. And the big boy 10,000 milliamp case is going to run you $60. All right, so let's check these out. Shout out to White Shoes back in the building. And right on cue, out of the building. Let's start with the iPhone XS Max 5000 milliamp. Okay, typical Zerolemon presentation, 100% Zerolemon promise. You already seen these before, you know what it is. All right, we got Dr. Manhattan on deck. Here we go. Rah. Let's see what it is. Okay, simple presentation. Let's see what you get. Okay, you got your Zerolemon, 100% promise, plug it and file it. Thank you card giveaways, user's instruction. Follow that. Here we go. Now this is 5,000 milliamps. See it right there for yourself. Now let's see. So to make sure I had the right one. Basically, soft matte feel on this case. No fingerprints. You got 4 LEDs on the back. If you tap the power button, that's going to show you how much battery you got. Tap it and hold it. That activates the battery. Now this is real simple and straightforward. There's your buttons, cutouts. On the bottom, you got 2 cutouts for the speakers. This is going to be USB Type-C charging. There's your power button. All right, so we'll slap this one in. Just like that. Now you see it's already charging up. Let me turn it off and we'll turn it back on. All right, so I'm holding down the power button. You see it just turned off. That turned it back on. See, it's off now. Hold down the power button. Don't troll me. All right, am I pressing the button? Okay, there it is. I wasn't pressing it hard enough. Charging up. 5,000 milliamps. Definitely adds a little bit of extra weight. No razivity on this. This is not a slam boy case. Now, one thing I got to mention. A lot of people don't understand the difference between a battery case and a protective case. This is not a protective case. It's a battery case. All right, so it's not going to look sexy and sleek. It's not going to give you any protection, no razivity. This is basically for battery. All right, so when your battery's on 10%, you're not going to care how ugly this looks. You're not going to care about the razivity. You're going to care about charging up your battery. Let's plug in a quick USB Type-C. Make sure this charges up. All right, so let's turn this off. Okay, now it's off. Plug in the USB Type-C. Is this USB Type-C? Oh, this might be micro USB. Let me try this micro USB cable instead. Shout out to Zerolemon. I thought it was micro USB. I thought it was USB Type-C. Nope, micro USB. Let me just force this in there. Let me see. What am I doing back here? All right, my bad, y'all. Now, this is exactly what I get for not reading the book. This is not USB Type-C. It's not micro USB. It's actually Apple Lightning adapter. So we plug this in. Now it's charging up. Take this out. Tap the button. Starts charging up. 5,000 milliamp extended battery case, $40. All right, let's keep it moving. Now, if you want to take this off, just take it off from the top. Just pop it right out. Do not break that pin on the bottom or it's game over. All right, so next up, 8,000 milliamp extended battery case for your iPhone XS Max. Here we go. Rah. Now this box is a little bit bigger. Giggity, I know. All right, usual books and shit. Plug all that stuff and file it. Now check this out. You see, got a little tab right here, open here. Now this one right here, this is the big boy. Okay, we get rid of this little sticker. 10,000 milliamps on this one. See, oh, I'm sorry, 8,000 milliamps. I'm just holding mad L's today. It is what it is. All right, so let's slap this one on and see what it looks like. So we're just going to place this right in there. Then we're going to place the next layer over. Now this one is going to give you some protection. Okay, everything is locked in. Then we're going to paste the outer layer right around this. And then we'll just seal everything in. Okay. Yo, this is mad big. Now let's see if I can even reach my vibrate on and off switch. Okay, I can reach it. No problems. Let's check that power button. There's the power button. Let's see, you got a big plus and minus, volume up and down. Same thing. Tap on the button. That's going to show you got 3 LEDs and it's charging up. Now let's see, we'll turn this off. Now one thing I noticed, I was doing it old school. You don't have to hold the power button to turn it on. You just tap it and it starts charging. When you want to turn it off, hold it down. Deactivate the charging. Now let's see what this one is. Let's try it again. Let's see, Apple Lightning adapter. Apple Lightning adapter. Got it on the first try. 8,000 milliamps. This is a certified brick though, right? This is a big, heavy battery. But think about it. 10,000 milliamps. This is going to last you 2 to 3 days. Now I'm actually going on the trip on Saturday. I'm taking this with me. I can rock movies on the phone, on the flight the whole time without having to worry about my battery. Again, this is not the sexiest case. Ain't nothing stylish about this at all. If you don't need the battery, don't rock the case all day long. You put this on when you need battery. When you don't need the battery, you take the case off. I will leave this one on in the meantime. Matter of fact, let's charge this up. Phone is charging up. Okay. almost broke the table. All right, we got one more. Now this is the big boy. 10,000 milliamp extended battery case for your Galaxy Note 9. Samsung Knights, stand up. Right. Here we go. Okay, now this should be exactly the same. Now if y'all watched the last video I did, I had 2 other Galaxy Note cases. I'll show you what those look like too. Okay, this is basically plug it and file it. The same as the iPhone version. Let's see. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on and off. Now I wonder if that's an Apple versus Samsung thing, because usually you got to press it and hold it. I noticed with the Apple ones, you just tap it. It is what it is though. All right, here we go. Peel this off. This is your outer layer. Flexible TPU. One more layer and the battery case. Let's grab the Note 9. Let's see. Got the Thanos version. Nope. We got the Dr. Manhattan. Slap that right on. Slap these on. Line everything up. Get rid of this ugly sticker. And we'll just pop this in. Now this one does have a cutout for the headphone jack. You ain't got to worry about that on your iPhone. I know. Let's just work everything in. We'll do this right. Okay. Let's get a little wipe down. This is what it's going to look like. Now, if you miss your day at the gym, do some curls with this if you want. Super heavy. Let's see if we got access to the fingerprint sensor. All right, there's your fingerprint sensor. Let me get my activities out of here. Check the power button. There's your power button. Let's work this all the way around. Okay, headphone jack. Now that's not even in there that deep, so you're not going to need an adapter. This has got to be USB Type-C. Let's just make sure. All right, USB Type-C charging on this one. Now let's try that same thing we did with the iPhone. Power button. All right, so this one you actually have to press and hold for 3 seconds. You see, now it's charging up. All right, so we'll turn this display off. I'll let y'all see that again. Okay, charging up. See the 48%? All right, now it's not charging. Okay, I'm going to hold the power button again for 3 seconds. Let's wait for that animation to disappear. Hold it for 3 seconds. Now it's charging up. 10,000 milliamp battery all day. Matter of fact, not only all day. This might be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Charge it up again on Thursday. This is a go, though. How Had to slam that down. Now, just in case you didn't remember, here's the last one. This one is a little bit thinner for the Galaxy Note. I'll leave the link for this in the description too. If y'all want to see what it looks like, why not? We here. As a matter of fact, let's see how hard this one is to take off. All right, so once your battery's charged up, you're not going to be walking around with this big brick all day. Just peel this off. Take off the outer layer, take off the inner layer, and rock back out. All right, so just in case you wanted to see, here's the 5,000 milliamp extended battery case for the Galaxy Note 9. Same thing, tap the power button, shows you your LEDs. Let's press it and hold it. Charge them right up. Anyway, these are the Zerolemon extended battery cases for your iPhone XS Max and your Galaxy Note 9. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah. Special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock won the beam up. Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at Print for iPhone. Print photos instantly from your iPhone.